to Inculcate Unity Through Diversity by Anjali Soiza. STEAM is a learning method that awakens the innate skills in young students of subject areas of science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. The 5 subjects mentioned is integrated to one project Unity Through Diversity, to heighten learning ability in a multidisciplinary approach. A cultural celebration. The Independence celebration is put together with an all-inclusive project plan. Collaboration, critical thinking, communication, and creativity are the key factors most important to establish among these students. Science. Science is the structure the facilitator creates in imparting the importance of the theme of the event. Example, the social advancement of multi-ethnicity from the subject area of social science in the Unity Through Diversity project. The young learners learn to value the culture of each ethnic group and the strength they could manifest by standing together as one. Technology. Making the moonstone. Technology is in the method used to mix the cement with the perfect consistency to mold the semicircle. A baby cement mixer was used. Engineering. Engineering is apparent in the structure of the moonstone as well as the lily pond. It is also clearly seen in the perfection and the precision of the moonstone and lily pond both. Aesthetics. Art and craft. The most important component in aesthetics is the core element of this project. The beauty and the vibrance of design thinking, collaborative project-based activity, communicative eloquence, and the critical thinking is evident in the display of the project. And as part of art and aesthetics, the song for Mother Lanka sung in perfect harmony. Mathematics. Math is seen in the calculations of the animals and floral imprints on the moonstone, the flowers on the lily pond, as well as the decorative lights on the pageant elephant. Mathematical concepts such as one-to-one correspondence, measurement of quantity were used at all times throughout. Conclusion. Every activity we deploy in a school to develop young students can have all the elements of STEAM integrated, with the resourcefulness, cleverness, and mindfulness of the teacher or the facilitator. This is sure to foster 21st century skills in the young students. Thank you for watching my video. The end.